Hello there. Hope you are doing well. So here we have the same text with uh, different questions. So let's see that the directions for questions. There is a passage below which is accompanied by a set of questions. We need to choose the best answer to each question. So what I presume that you must have read the text and understood it. So let's directly move to the question. So, what does the question point out? On the basis of the passage, what is the primary role of pions in atomic nuclear? So, here the main word or the key word of the text is primary role of pions in atomic nuclear. Let's look into the questions option. The first option said to maintain a stable balance electric charge within the nucleus. Second, it's stated to hold protons and neutrons together by compensating for electric repulsion. Third, to create virtual quarks inside protons and neutrons. Fourth, to provide a source of energy for nuclear fusion. If you look into the question based on the passage, what is the primary role of pions? Now, if I observe that the first paragraph, second paragraph, and third paragraph, in third paragraph where it is stated that what the energy exchanged in this transfer is big enough to compensate for the electric repulsion between protons, and therefore it binds together protons and neutrons, storing the immense energy that may be released in nuclear fusion process, isn't it? So released in nuclear process, nuclear fusion process. So this makes us the idea the primary role of pions in atomic nuclear, right, is not about that the fourth option, which is stated to provide a source of energy for nuclear fusion. It is not the primary role of pions and described in the passage. So pions' role is to what? Facilitate the binding, right? Bind together, binding protons and neutrons, right? Um, so hence you option 4 is eliminated. If I look into the option 3 stated to create virtual quark inside protons and neutrons. This also eliminated because it doesn't attribute this role to pions, right? The passage mentioned that quarks are present within protons and neutrons themselves. So hence 3 is eliminated. Option 2 stated to hold protons and neutrons together means binding together. This one, right? So by compensating for electric repulsion. So this stands the primary role of pions in atomic nuclei. So option 1, right, which is stated to maintain a stable balanced electric charge within the nucleus. So this also not the primary role of pions, not the primary role of pions. Primary role of pions. Maintaining electric charge balance is not mentioned as the primary function of pions in the passage. So hence option 1, 2 also eliminated. If, so therefore we find out option 2 will be appropriate on the basis of the idea which is given in the text, isn't it? Therefore, option 2 can be considered the correct answer. Hope you understood. That's all. Thank you.